U.S. president was so fascinated with the nation, he violated his own values. Let's zero in on some railroad expansion and manifest destiny. How do we get from the east? How do we get to the west? And again, this is growth that's going to take place throughout the 19th century. So now let's take a look at our module project, our timeline. So what you're going to be doing this unit is you're going to choose at least 6 different topics, and you're going to define them. And these can be things like what we're talking about today, manifest destiny. It can also be Monroe Doctrine. It can be Jacksonian democracy. It can be the War with Mexico. But again, we're going to go back. We're going to go to the early part of the century, and we're going to talk about Thomas Jefferson. And so what I want to show you here is an example of a timeline. So what you see here is Jefferson and his presidency, because it starts what will be about 30 years of dominance. And as we move the country forward, the presidents for the next 30 years, they're all going to be concerned with the growth of the nation. Growth can be through war, growth can be from taking over native lands. So again, when we look at Jefferson, what was he so fascinated with that, as we grow the nation through beginning with Louisiana Purchase, how is he going to violate his own values? Because again, that's our big riddle of the day. So as we go through this lesson, let's figure out, how did Jefferson influence what will be that Jeffersonian age?